In this video, we are going to start our personal portfolio website application built with Laravel. We are going to install and set up our project. So, ready to get started. Open your terminal, go in the directory where you are going to install your app. For me, it's going to be desktop. Run Laravel new and add the name of your project. Choose non-Laravel start kit. Choose database you will use. For me, it is SQLite. And then run npm install. Our Laravel application has been created. Write cd into our app and run composer run dev. And then open this URL right here in our browser. Welcome to our default Laravel page. When we visit this home path, we see this default Laravel page, but instead of displaying this Laravel home page, we need to display our own home page. To do that, we need the root, the controller, and the view. So, let's create it. The first thing I want to do is to open our project in our VS Code editor. Alright, let's now navigate to the root directory in web.php file. Over here, and I comment this root and define new root. Handle get request to slash and call a function in page controller called index, and then the name of root will be pages.index. Now we need to import this page controller, but we haven't created this controller. So let's create it by going in terminal, run php artisan make controller, and add the name of our controller. It is pages controller. Alright, the page controller is created. Let's go back in web.php file, import this controller from controllers. Now we are going to create this index method in page controller. So let's navigate to app, http, controllers. In page controller, create a function called index, which will return index view from pages home directory. We haven't created this index view in pages home directory, so let's go on resource and choose create a folder called pages. On pages, create another folder called home. On home folder, create a file called index.blade.php. In this index file, add a hello message. Now, when we visit this home path, we will see this hello message. Alright. Let's stay here for the moment. In upcoming video, we will adding the design template on this home page and create some of other pages we will need for this portfolio website. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a like, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified to the future training video. Thank you for watching.